By using the OneDrive's image editor, what you can also do is you can adjust out an image as you like. So let's explore out the image adjustment options over here in OneDrive. So over here I am in the photos and you can see that I have a photo right here. And let me just go around and click on the photo and then click on edit to go to the editing mode right here. So by default, you're on the crop mode, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto adjustment. And once you do that, you can see that I get the adjustment options now. So if I were to go around and change around the brightness, you can see that I can change around the brightness of the image as how I like right here. So apart from that, you got exposure, which allows you to expose out the image right here. So it keeps the black more intact right here. Whereas if you were to change around the brightness, the blacks get brighter as well. So if you want to increase the difference between black and white, then you can increase out the contrast right here, as you can see, or decrease out the contrast to make it more balanced right here. After that, you can see that you can also work around with the highlight to change around the bright spots of the image right here. You can decrease out the highlight right here and increase out the shadows, which affects out the dark parts right here to make it more balanced as well. And then you can work around with the exposure and the contrast over here. After that, you can go around and work around with the vignette as well. And you can see at the edges, there are shadows over here that you can work around with. After that, you can see that you can work around with saturation as well. And you can increase out the saturation over here and really increase out the color of the image, or totally wash off the color over here just like this, and that simply makes the picture grayscale, that is black and white over here. After that, you can work around with warmth right here to make the picture more warm by adding a yellow tint to it, or you can remove out the warmth altogether and make it look cool by adding bluish tint to it as well. Apart from that, you can go around and add in tint and make it more magenta or make it more green as well. So depending on what you want, you can go around and make up the adjustment, as you can see right here. You can go around and zoom in the picture by pressing the plus button over here on the top, and you can click and drag around to see different portions of the picture on how they look after you adjust out the image as well. You can go around and click on minus right here to zoom out as well. And this is how you can go around and utilize the image adjustment option to change the look of the image inside of Microsoft OneDrive. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.